Hello friends, my name is Karan and I am from Bihar, Aurangabad district. Friends, in this video I am going to talk about my daily routine. Friends, when I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock, not 6 o'clock, 6, I think 6:15 a.m. and from that time I wash my face, then I go to washroom, and after some time I take bath, and after taking bath I will go to salon for my cutting hair, and then I return at 9 o'clock, and on at home I return 9 o'clock, and then I uh, take again bath, because as you know that it is summer season, so we are feeling so much hot. That's why we take bath again, and after taking bath I take my breakfast at 10 o'clock. Then I go to bed for sleep 1 hour. Then I wake up at 12 o'clock. After sleeping I wake up at 12 o'clock. Then I wash my face, and then I sit for a study, and after a study I go out of my house for wandering, for roaming, to take fresh air. Then when I return from wandering at my home, then I again wash my hand and leg, and now I am recording myself in English. Friends, in this video I make a lot of mistake, I fumble, I stuck, so please pardon me. And as you know that I am beginner, I am learning English language, so making mistake is common, but I will try my best to improve my English. So if you're new on my channel, then please subscribe and please support me. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for giving your time.